Number 1. 1976 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Chopper, $3,500, Troy, Ohio. This 1976 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Chopper started as a disassembled project and has been brought back to a running condition with many new parts installed. Powered by the classic XLH 1000 engine, it delivers that raw, mechanical feel Ironheads are known for. While it does run well, it still needs a few details sorted, making it a hands-on bike best suited for someone familiar with vintage Harley setups. The bike retains a true project-built character, including typical quirks like wet sumping, which is common for these engines. With a clean title and solid progress already completed, it offers a great opportunity for someone to step in, finish the work, and enjoy a classic, affordable Harley chopper. Number 2. 1970 Triumph TR6C Chopper, $13,750, Brunswick, Ohio. This 1970 Triumph TR6C Chopper features a classic hardtail conversion with a blend of British and Harley-inspired components. The bike has been refreshed with new paint in a candy apple red and gold metal flake finish, giving it a strong vintage custom look. It also features a Harley front end with a 21-inch wheel and disc brake, adding both style and improved braking performance. Originally built decades ago and recently brought back to life, this bike reflects years of modification and history. With electronic ignition and a mix of custom parts, it runs but still requires ongoing attention, making it ideal for riders who enjoy maintaining and refining a true old-school chopper. Number 3. 1980 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper, $6,000, Dillsburg, Pennsylvania. This 1980 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper is a custom-built machine powered by a 1000cc engine, offering classic Harley performance with a personalized touch. The bike comes with numerous receipts documenting its build, giving insight into the work that has gone into creating this custom setup. It presents as a solid running bike with a unique style. With its custom configuration and trade flexibility, it offers both character and versatility for potential buyers. Whether kept as is or further modified, this Sportster Chopper provides a strong platform for riders looking for a ready-to-enjoy custom Harley with documented history. Number 4. 2002 ASPT Rigid Custom Chopper, $3,800, Trevor, Wisconsin. This 2002 ASPT Rigid Custom Chopper delivers a classic stretched look combined with modern V-twin performance. Powered by a 100 cubic inch RevTech engine and paired with a 3-inch BDL open belt drive, it offers strong power and a true custom riding experience. The setup includes a 21-inch front wheel and a wide 200 rear tire, giving it an aggressive stance. The bike is described as running and riding well, making it a usable custom without needing major work. With a clean title and solid mechanical condition, it stands as an affordable entry into the world of big-inch custom choppers with a bold visual presence. Number 5. 1966 Triumph 650 Bonneville Chopper, $6,500, Madison, Wisconsin. This 1966 Triumph 650 Bonneville Chopper is a visually striking vintage build that has spent several years on display, highlighting its standout custom design. Known for its classic British twin engine and timeless chopper styling, it represents the kind of build that captures attention both on and off the road. Although it was running when last parked, it has been off the road for some time and will likely need light recommissioning before regular use. With its strong visual appeal and classic foundation, this Bonneville chopper offers a unique opportunity to own a true vintage showpiece with riding potential. Number 6. 2005 Proper Chopper 300 RS, $10,000, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. This 2005 Proper Chopper 300 RS is a high-performance custom machine built for both power and presence. With only around 1,000 miles, it features a strong 113 cubic inch S&S engine, producing an impressive 138 horsepower at the rear wheel, paired with a smooth 6-speed Baker transmission. The massive 300 rear tire and bold blue finish give it a commanding stance on the road. In addition to its performance, the bike includes modern touches like an LED headlight, cruise control, and several added accessories. With a new starter, fresh battery, and a clean title, it's a well-equipped and ready-to-ride custom chopper that stands out both visually and mechanically. Number 7. 1971 Honda CB750 Springer Chopper, $3,000, Benton, Kentucky. This 1971 Honda CB750 Springer Chopper is a long-owned custom built with decades of history, sitting on an A-Man hardtail frame and powered by a later CB750 Supersport engine. It features both kick and electric start, along with a Springer front end and classic 1970 styling elements like ape-hanger bars and a custom sissy bar setup. The bike turns over with strong compression, but will need a battery replacement and likely carb cleaning to get back on the road. Included are numerous extra parts, an additional engine, and original components, making this a complete package for someone looking to restore or refine a vintage Japanese chopper. Number 8. 2004 Big Dog Chopper, $6,500, Mount Sterling, Kentucky. This 2004 Big Dog Chopper features a bright green finish paired with a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, delivering both strong performance and standout looks. Known for their factory custom builds, Big Dog motorcycles offer a balance of reliability and bold styling, and this example presents well for its age. With its black leather seat and classic chopper proportions, it provides a comfortable yet aggressive riding experience. As a running and rideable machine, it offers a solid option for riders seeking a ready-to-enjoy custom chopper with strong visual appeal. Number 9. 1965 BSA 650 Chopper, $5,500, Viola, Illinois. This 1965 BSA 650 Chopper is a classic British custom featuring a Springer front end and a hardtail-style build that captures true old-school character. The bike has been updated with new carburetors, electronic ignition, regulator, and battery, helping improve reliability while maintaining its vintage feel. It is described as running and riding well. Included with the sale is an extra engine and additional parts, adding value for future maintenance or customization. With a clean title and strong overall setup, this BSA offers a solid mix of originality, usability, and classic chopper style. Number 10. 2006 Wildfire Chopper 200cc, $2,000, Fife Lake, Michigan. This 2006 Wildfire Chopper 200cc is a smaller displacement custom bike that delivers a fun and approachable riding experience. Street legal with a Michigan title, it features electric start, working lights, and a manual transmission. Despite its size, it is described as surprisingly quick and capable of cruising comfortably at around 60 miles per hour. The bike has been well cared for, with a new battery and no reported leaks or oil consumption issues. Having been displayed indoors for years, it presents cleanly and offers versatility as both a rider and a unique display piece for a garage or collection. Number 11. 1997 CMC Rigid Chopper, $8,000, Lugoff, South Carolina. This 1997 CMC Rigid Chopper is a solid custom build powered by an S&S 88 cubic inch engine paired with a 5-speed transmission and open primary setup. It has been owned for over 15 years, showing long-term care and familiarity with the bike. Recent updates include a new stator, regulator, and battery, helping keep the electrical system in working order. Currently set up with a point-style ignition, it can easily be converted back to electronic if preferred. With spare parts included and no major issues reported beyond past charging system work, this chopper offers a reliable and well-sorted platform with classic rigid styling. Number 12. 1978 Shovelhead Chopper, $9,000, Loganville, Georgia. This 1978 Shovelhead Chopper is a freshly rebuilt custom packed with high-end components and classic chopper attitude. Featuring a Baker 6x4 transmission, Mikuni flat-slide carb, and Pacho-style exhaust, it's built for both performance and style. The setup includes internal throttle and brake controls, along with a foot clutch configuration for a true old-school riding experience. Nearly everything on the bike is new, and it comes with additional parts and accessories, including custom wheels and extra components. While it still needs some finishing details, it represents a high-quality build with strong potential for someone looking to complete and ride a serious custom shovelhead. Number 13. Harley-Davidson Evo Chopper, $8,500, Douglasville, Georgia. This Harley-Davidson chopper is powered by a reliable Evolution engine and features a well-rounded custom setup. It includes a new Mikuni carburetor, single-fire ignition, and a 6-speed transmission, providing smooth and consistent performance. The 4-inch BDL open belt drive adds to its classic custom look and mechanical appeal. With fresh fluids and a strong running condition, the bike is ready to ride and enjoy. Finished with a comfortable alligator-style seat for both rider and passenger, it offers a blend of performance, style, and everyday usability in a clean, custom package. Number 14. 1969 Norton Chopper, $5,500, Van Buren Township, Michigan. This 1969 Norton Chopper is a period-correct build that captures the essence of vintage British custom motorcycles. It runs strong and has been updated with fresh Amal carburetors, helping ensure smooth performance. The bike includes extra parts and maintains a consistent old-school look throughout its design. It does have a small dent on the tank, adding a bit of character to its overall presentation. With a clean Michigan title and solid running condition, this Norton offers an authentic and enjoyable classic chopper experience. Number 15. 1996 Harley-Davidson Softail, $4,500, Rogersville, Tennessee. This 1996 Harley-Davidson Softail features a stylish custom look with a unique paint job and plenty of chrome details. It includes a comfortable quilted seat and a tinted windshield, making it both visually appealing and practical for longer rides. The bike is described as riding great, offering a smooth and enjoyable experience. With its balanced mix of comfort and custom styling, it serves as a versatile option for everyday cruising. Whether used as a regular rider or a light custom platform, this Softail provides a dependable and attractive entry into Harley-Davidson ownership. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle listings across the United States.